আসসালামু আলাইকুম ভিউয়ার্স, কি অবস্থা সবার? চলে আসলাম আবার একটি নতুন ভিডিও নিয়ে। সো 12 বেস্ট ওয়েবসাইট টু মেক মানি অনলাইন। ওকে, সো 12 বেস্ট ওয়েবসাইট টু মেক মানি অনলাইন. So make money online with 12 best website. Okay, so if you want to earn extra cash, turn off this money making website. Okay, so you don't always have a spend money to make money. Okay, if you want to launch a side gig to generate regular part-time income, or if you looking for some quick extra cash, there are website that can help you do it. Okay, so 12 money saving cash dry. So consider this top resource to make money online. Okay, Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, ETSY.com, TaskRabbit.com, Wonder.com, TricksUp.com, Shop.com, Gazily.com, Cardsell.com, OfferUp.com, Negorboard.com, Mars by Amazon. Okay, so dealing on whether other you have looking earned extra money quickly or build a long time income. Stream is of the following website offer unique advancer and sometimes disadvantages tailored to different needs and interest. Read on for more information on each site. Okay, Upwork. So how to work Upwork is essentially a meeting site where business and freelancer threshold. Okay, the world cannot and collaborator on a certain project. Business here freelancer for a variety of different service. Okay, so include writing, web design, running, SEO, campaign, and party mass any work that can be done on a computer. Highlight Upwork take a commission from 5% to 20%, but more money up make the list the commission is. So Darkback's Upwork has been so successful that there is a lot of competition on the website, and that can be real dark web for people who are new to the site. Say Saska Dorasa, owner of a digital marketing agency to Toronto, called the shitlist web guys. Before I said start my business in website design, so I create profile on website, search up work. In the beginning it was a strong to attract any attention from buyers 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 on those platform because there is so much competition, and much of the competition was from overage, which made it impossible for me to compete compete with other price. Okay, so Darsenal leverage this prices, and for a while he was working for next to nothing. But the positive feedback made his profile look better, and Dostra started charging more. Okay, so although platform like Upwork can be helpful in building a portfolio and interior silent base, I am a glass to be of them and on money on Dostra say. So Fiverr, how is work? This is also popular website. Is it's popular website that can be helpful for freelancers. Know something about digital animation. You can work for someone who doesn't have this skill and pick up some extra cash. Even better, you can offer to complete website research for someone for fresh cash. Highlight: you can make money from the side asset then boosted a designer and digital strategist in Albury, New York, who run a two-person company company called Buchan Design. He say that his film make 3,000 to $5,000 month from Fiverr. To stay either of the competition, I make sure my Fiverr profile and the gig description are well writing and communicate the value of service I am offering. When someone reaches out to my, I make sure to reply as quickly as I can as follow up right to include by asking good question. So I quick be careful writing reply increase. So thank you.